Hey loves, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm working with Asteria hair. They sent me out their deep wave 6x6 lace closure wig. I have it in 22 inches and the density is 180, which honestly I wish I would have got a thicker density, but we'll address that later in the video. So now I'm going to move on and bleach the knots on this wig. I'm using 30 volume developer, and this is the consistency you want for your bleach. You don't want it to be too thin, because if it is, it will seep through the lace and you will have over bleached knots and blonde hair, which is not a good look. So I'm just spreading the bleach all over the lace very gently, and I'm gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes, but you wanna make sure you're eyeballing it in between just to make sure all the knots are bleaching properly. And after it has set, I like to wash it out with purple shampoo just to get rid of any brassiness, and then we're going to move on to plucking. So moving on to plucking, this unit did not come pre-plucked or anything, and it was pretty dense for my liking. Like, the hairline was pretty thick, so I did have to go in and pluck quite a lot, but I didn't mind because I'm only plucking a closure. If it was a frontal, I would have had to do a lot more work, but this is only a closure, so it wasn't too bad. But I'm always start plucking behind the hairline, and I just like gradually work my way back until I feel like the hairline looks natural enough for me. So this is a little before and after. The left side is plucked and the right side is not. As you can see, I don't like to over pluck my units too much, because as you wear the wig over time, it's going to naturally lose hair. So if you pluck too much in the beginning, then you're going to end up with a bald frontal or closure. So now I'm going in and I'm sewing on some extra bundles to this wig because I was not pleased with the density. I got a 100% 80 density, and I probably should have gone for a 200 because this hair is a little bit longer. So, you know, the longer the hair, the thinner it's supposed to be. But yeah, I probably added about maybe 3 or 4 tracks in the back of the wig, and it gave me the desired density that I was looking for.
I've been running, gotta take me a bag. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Nigga said I'm going broke while I just take it and laugh. I be speeding in that foreign with 5 on my ass. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the paint, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free tape, no he keep a case, but he not take care of the and let it blow. Watch this bitch eat his face. I'm that nigga, and all my young niggas pulling triggers. We gorillas. We let this bitch off until you feel it. For you niggas that's always on IG with them yiggies taking pictures. If you really gon' use them or you just loafing for them bitches? You niggas really hoes and you be acting like these bitches.
So now I'm going in and I'm giving the hair just a little trim, because the bundles that I added to the back of the wig were a little bit longer than the wig itself. So I'm just making sure everything is nice and even. And I also added some layers just like in the front of the wig so it can better frame my face. And now we're going to move on to defining the curls. This is a deep wave texture, so it does have a tighter curl pattern. Now, I don't like to put a lot of products in my curly hair because I feel like it can weigh it down. So all that I used in this hair was some mousse, and I felt like that worked pretty well. I didn't experience much shedding or anything with this unit. The only thing I did notice that was the back of the hair, like the nape of the wig, did get a little tangled and matted, but it's really easy to detangle. Just spray it down with some water and take a paddle brush and just detangle it. Other than that, I feel like this curl pattern is really pretty. It's a nice curl pattern for the summertime, and y'all know how I feel about these 6x6 closures. They're just like super easy, beginner friendly wigs. So if you guys are interested in this unit, it will be linked down in my description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I be sitting in that forum with 5 on my ass, but I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the paint, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Lil Tay, no, he